The Claudio Cuomo Market Pulse, the place to get the most current info on your local real estate market and have your property questions answered. Welcome to the Claudio Cuomo Market Pulse. They say blink and you'll miss it, folks. Believe it or not, we're just around the corner from Christmas and it's already November. So yes, it's that time of the month again. Welcome to our November Market Pulse. Well, the momentum throughout this year has really carried on through, and that has been seen transferred across to the outstanding results we're seeing very consistently. However, as we always tend to see at this point of the year, stock levels now are starting to drop off quite dramatically, which is concentrating buyer activity and interest on the fewer remaining opportunities. So sellers out there, it's a great time to capitalize on some very strong pricing, and buyers, you've got few remaining opportunities, so do act fast. So let's get stuck right into it. Today we're going to take a closer look at auction clearance rates and also the latest RBA announcement. We'll check in as well with our local market watch. Plus, we've also got our hottest just listeds and just solds coming straight for you. The latest news from the Reserve Bank of Australia was that they again chose to leave the current record low 1.5% cash rate on hold. With the RBA finding that we have a moderate growth in the economy combining with low inflation, and that this holding stance would be sustainable for the country's continued growth, which is great news for the property sector and investors countrywide. Now to auction clearance rates, and they've also continued suit, with again Melbourne and Sydney leading the charge around the country, hovering very firm around the 80% mark, which is another clear sign to the current market stability and that supply-demand relationship moving towards Christmas. Now, let's take a look at our local market watch and what's been happening in our core suburbs. So the postcode of 3046 saw a total of 73 homes sold, 50 of those via auction and 23 via for sale, with the median price up slightly, sitting at $588,000. In the postcode of 3044, we saw a total of 40 homes sold, 20 of 6 via auction and 14 for sale, with the median price taking a slight dip, now sitting at $710,000. And in the postcode of 3060, we saw 21 homes sold in total, 16 of which were sold via auction and 5 via for sale, with the median price again dipping slightly at $578,000. With quite a heavy sway of the majority of properties being sold via auction, again this is another clear sign of strong buyer demand in the marketplace. Now turning to our latest just listed and just sold properties hot off the press. With investor and developer demand being stronger than ever, we just achieved a phenomenal off-market sale of a corner block with a modest 3-bedroom brick veneer home at 76 Tarana Avenue, selling in the space of under a week for $750,000. That comes to $1,250 per square metre rate, which again is uncharted territory in the Tarana Avenue Glenroy marketplace. Congratulations. Now, I really want you guys to take a closer look, not at me, but to what's on screen at this absolute cracker at 24A South Street. A custom-built 27 square luxury home constructed in 2011. For those of you that don't want to give up on quality, size and space, however want to maintain your low maintenance lifestyle, this is the absolute one for you. I really can't wait to show you through and hope you can make it down. Well friends, that wraps up another Market Pulse, and I can't wait to see you in our final episode for the year next month in December. However, if you've been thinking of doing something or you're not quite sure about timing, feel free to give me a call. We're more than happy to discuss how we can help, as there's still some time left. From myself, Claudio Cuomo, and the rest of the team at C+M Residential, we look forward to helping you soon.